What's poppin', YouTube? Today we're going to build a MIG gun holder, and I'm thinking I'll have something that will clamp on my table here and have some kind of thumb screw maybe. I'm thinking, you know, something around this size maybe. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'll think of something. But I want to be able to have a little, maybe like a cup where I could put my channel lock MIG pliers and maybe a piece of soapstone or something. I really don't know what it's. I build stuff kind of on the fly. We'll see what happens. Maybe you'll make one too. MIG welding's fun. Look where we are again. The old metal hoard. Whoa! Good height, and it could go in like that, maybe. Save your scraps. I don't know, maybe I should use this heavier piece. Alright, let's take this junk. We need a little kitty blanket. Come here.
She will if you just let her go.
Okay. Here's the base. This will go like so. And then I'm going to cut off a piece of this pipe, whatever. So this will go here. This piece of pipe will get cut and attached somewhere at an angle so the gun can just kind of slide in there. Then this piece I'm going to cut here, and it's going to go somewhere like that. And that will, I'll be able to put my MIG pliers in, and then I'll weld this stuff like that, and I'm going to drill and tap this for a 3/8 inch bolt. So this is going to come down like that, will go through, and this part will hit the table, and then so that'll hold everything down. But I feel like with this putting pressure on the table, that should be more than enough to make sure this doesn't rock around. So, okay, that's kind of what I'm, I guess, going to do. I don't need that. So now it's time to cut some stuff, and I think we'll start by maybe drilling and tapping that. So, okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good for the most part, and it was nice to just use scrap stuff lying around. So as you can see, this is where the gun goes, and on the side here I have my trusty channel lock MIG pliers. Pretty nice for cleaning the nozzle and for cutting stuff. And let's see here, I made a little wrench out of this socket, out of this old socket that I had, and that goes on here, so this way you can get things nice and tight. And then I just welded on this fender washer I had to keep it all kind of contained. So I'm going to clean up my workspace since it's a disaster, and then I'm going to prime and paint the MIG gun holder.
Work it out, 'cause something's in the air tonight. Oh, I know you feel it. Knowing you leave me neglected. I got bad hoes in my section that look to me for direction. I tell them get to undressing right before I send a message to your phone, baby.
So yeah, found this terrible looking blue. At least no one's gonna steal it. I think it came out pretty good. We'll let it dry overnight. I think it came out pretty good. The blue is a little goofy, but I probably should maybe paint the bottom too. So there it is painted. You can see the pliers fit in good. No problems there. Good and tight. Got the little wrench there. Alright, that worked out good.